Okay students, now moving further, now let me first revise what you have done with the acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? If any body is moving with some certain velocity and that velocity does not change, वो एक ही velocity से जा रहा है, then we will say that the acceleration is zero. It is not having any acceleration. But suppose if it increases its speed or it decreases its speed, then we say that the body is in acceleration. If it increases the speed, we will call it as a positive acceleration, and if it decreases the speed, we will call it as negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration or retardation. This is about the acceleration you have seen. गाड़ी में accelerator होता है, okay? Bikes also have accelerator on the hands. Car में it is in the leg. What is the work of the accelerator? To either increase the speed or decrease the speed. So it is known as accelerator because it accelerates the body. Now coming to the graph. Now let us see the distance time graph of a person, of a body moving. Now when we take graph, you know all very well versed with the graph paper. You know that we use the 2D representation, that is we take two axes, x-axis and the y-axis. You can see here in your textbook they have taken x-axis and y-axis plus the markings have been done. On the x-axis we always take the time in seconds and on the y-axis distance is taken in meters. Now on the left hand side you can see that they have given you a column of time and distance. 0 seconds 0 meters is covered, in 10 seconds 15 meters is covered, in 20 seconds 30 meters is covered, in 30 seconds 45 meters is covered. You have to plot this over here. Okay, so the first point is going to be 0, 0. So 0, 0 will be the origin, that is the point where the x and the y axis intersects. I will do one thing, I will also try to plot over here. Okay, then you can see it. Okay, now see here, the first point 0, 0. So 0, 0 means it is this point. Okay, this intersection of the two. Okay, this is your 0, 0. Next point is 10, 15. 10, 15 means on the x-axis you will take 10 and on the y-axis you will take 15. Now how to take 15 on the y-axis? Y-axis it is 0, 20, 40, 60. So between 20 and 40 what is there? That is 30. I want 15. So between 0 and 20 what will be there? This will be 10. And between 10 and 20 you will have 15. So between 10 and 20 you are going to mark it as 15. I will show you how. See here. Let us expand it. We want 15. Okay. Now this blue line, what you can see, this blue line, okay, one thick blue line, this is this thick blue line, this is your 10. Okay, this is 10. Then between this 10 and this 20, how many squares are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So exactly at 2.5 will be your 15. So 2 complete squares and the third one in the middle. So approximately you can get that mark somewhere over here in the middle of this point. Okay, that is your 15. So that 15 and here you have 10. 10 and 15. So this 10 and 15, here you will have your another point. Next point what you are having is 20 and 30. So 20 will be this, 30 will be exactly in middle of 20 and 40. So this intersection what you can see, this is your 20, 30. Then you have 30 and 45. So 30, 45 will be again between 40 and 50. So again after 40 you will take two full squares and the third square you will take the middle part. So like this you are going to plot all the points and after that you are going to join it with a single line using a scale. You have done plotting of graphs earlier also. I don't think there should be a problem. I've already told you x-axis 10, 20, 30 is not going to be a problem. Y-axis I told you how to take. Okay. So I don't think there should be a problem. If there is any problem, report me in the group. I'll again explain how to take the points. So just plot all these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points are given. So just plot them and then we will see how the graph is. And then further I will teach you.